Imagine a life where you have financial freedom, time freedom, and location freedom. You wake up whenever you want, spend time however you choose, wherever you desire. Sounds amazing, right? And suddenly, a word pops up in your mind: freelancer. You start browsing through content, dreaming of that lifestyle. Most of you might be envisioning a life like this when you think of freelancing. Maybe you even imagine that freelancing will be the key to achieving it. You might have even purchased a course thinking you are ready to take on the world. Well, my dear friends and followers, I am here to tell you a harsh truth. It's not as easy as it seems. To truly achieve this freedom, there are a few things you need to know before starting your freelancing journey. For those of you who are new here, I am Rehber, founder of rhbrdsgnlabs and a full-time freelancer. I have seen my share of ups and downs, and today I am here to share the reality with you before you dive into this market. This video is divided into 3 parts: beliefs, reality, and solutions. We will explore each in depth based on my experience, and I will guide you on how each of these is equally important in your freelancing journey. So let's dive in. When you enter the creative freelancing world, whether it's graphic design, UI design, motion graphics, video editing, or photography, you might strongly believe that having skills will lead you to earning money online. You think you will hop onto platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and start earning in dollars. But let me tell you, it's not that simple. These platforms are overcrowded and seriously competitive, and you will be competing with professionals who have been dominating the space long before the term freelancer became popular. Or perhaps you think you will post content on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and clients will come running to you. It's a nice thought, but it's not that easy either. Content creation is a task in itself, and trust me, it's backbreaking. Even if your work is exceptional, it's no guarantee that your reels will go viral, as the market is already overcrowded, or that you will start making money right away. The freelancer market isn't the easy escape you might hope for. You might have seen your favorite content creator living the dream, but what they show you are the highlight reels. What you don't see are losses, unpaid bills, sleepless nights, self-doubt, anxiety, and sometimes even depression. Without a mentor, you might lose more than you gain. New creators enter the market every day, and most of them come in with the same beliefs I mentioned earlier. Yet, many leave without making any progress because they didn't get any work. While some may recover financially, but many of you are chasing dreams that may shatter right before your eyes. You might think your work is top quality, deserving higher pay, but let me tell you, there's nothing as a perfect. There's always room for improvement. And just as you think you have mastered the craft, the trends will change. Even when you start earning a little, don't assume that the graph will only go up. There will be setbacks. Clients leaving without notice, referrals drying up, payment delays, overworking, and odd hours. These are real challenges I faced even after delivering high quality work. These challenges can take a serious toll on your mental and physical health, especially when you are not earning and you see your savings gradually depleting due to lack of work. Now I have shown you the dark side of freelancing, but there's still hope. When I entered the market, I had no mentor either. What I did have were real skills, endorsed by people even before I started working professionally. So the first step for all of you is self-reflection. Do you really have the talent for this field, or are you just jumping on a trend because someone said freelancers make tons of money? After self-reflection, the next step is polishing your already existing skill set. You don't need a course. YouTube is a goldmine of content. Your initial goal should be refining your existing skills, not just learning a software. Ask yourself, do you really enjoy this, or is it just another job? Set your prices, decide on hourly rate, see what's working, and tweak your offers if needed. Once you have polished your already existing skill sets, it's time to plan for your next steps. Reach out to friends, colleagues, relatives, offer your service, even if it's for free in the beginning. Real world experience is priceless. And alongside this, keep posting on social platforms. Pick one and be consistent. Don't run on all of them. Consistency and discipline will set you way ahead than your competition. Consistency is the only thing what will set you apart. And one of the most underrated steps, make sure you prepare your legal documents before closing any client deal. This is crucial to ensure that you and your client are on the same page regarding work and timelines. Sign contracts digitally and protect yourself from potential issues. And be mentally prepared for the grind. Nothing great in life comes without effort. Avoid distractions, stick to your plan, and keep moving forward. Don't become complacent when you start earning. Stay consistent with your work. Keep posting and exploring new ways, and most importantly, set boundaries to enjoy life as well, because that's what matters the most. To summarize what I just said, freelancing is a battle and the marketplace is your battleground. One wrong move could set you back, but if you have tactical mindset, belief in your power, and hone your skill, victory will be yours. So that's all for today. I'll be sharing more videos around this topic, providing insights as a mentor. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, salam.